Right. So this is one of those ways that are unusual of making money. And what I love about this kind of ways is that not everyone is doing it, and while not everyone is doing it, it means the value is high. I mean, look at it this way. You find a platform that pays people to do whatever. The more people get in, they take down the rates. So this platform is one of those few platforms that is gonna pay you $10 per 1,000 people, which is CPM, while AdSense might be paying you $1 per CPM. This platform is gonna pay you $10 per CPM. And what you're gonna need to do, so how you're gonna be making money on this platform, is by podcasting. Yes, you heard me right. This is not a service side. It's a podcasting network. You can have it on your phone. I already have an app. The name of the platform is Anchor. So what happens is that if you're already making videos, already making audios, you can put them on podcast. It's also going to help you to, reach more audience, because not everyone is on YouTube, not everyone is on Facebook or whatever. There are some people that you don't reach them on other platforms, and those people, they are people who are listening to podcast. What I love about this platform, Anchor, is that as much as it's not famous, what it does, it takes your podcast to Google Podcast, iPodcast, all these famous podcasts. It takes your podcast also to Spotify, all these platforms that play music. How fantastic is it? I mean, how hard can it be to get 1,000 people to listen to your podcast from those platforms? Not to mention how many people are listening to Spotify, not to mention how many people are listening to iPodcast. So that's how easy it gets with a $10 CPM. How you get paid is that what you do, there will be sponsorships that that you will allow to play some ads. As advertising is one of those ways that allows everyone. It does not require some people to have experience. It allows everyone to make money online, and it has been making it easy ever since. And that's why you should be utilizing this opportunity. Every platforms that allows advertising, it means you are given a chance to earn money. So the name of the platform, guys, is Anchor, and then you will find some amazing features on these platforms when you're making your podcast there, and then just continue making money, guys. I hope you find this useful and you'll find value in it as I did. I'll see you on the next video. Do not forget to like this video if you like it, of course. And if you have not subscribed yet, subscribe so that you'll know when I upload a new video on how to make money online. See you on the next one. Keep safe.